Today I'm going to retrofit these LED off-road lights into my fog lights. But first, let's roll the intro. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the first video of the year 2023. I hope you all had a wonderful New Year's Eve and wonderful New Year, and it started your 2023 strong, pretty strong. As I mentioned, we're going to retrofit these LED off-road lights into my really boring and dull fog lights. And what we're going to do after that, we're going to make a little relay so you can actually access the fog lights or turn the fog lights on without needing to turn the headlights on. Because in the GX right now, you only can operate the fog lights when you have your headlight turned on. So after today, we're gonna be able to use the LED light while just flicking on the fog light switch. I think I need to get some tools first. Let's do that. I got the tools I needed. First, we gotta take the fog lights out. To do that, there is a bolt right behind here. Well, it's a little easier than I thought. It's right there. That bolt right there, that's the one. I think it's a 10 mil. So yeah, I got the bolt out. It's so easy. Theoretically, that's it. Oh, there you go. That's so easy. Just have to unplug this thing right here. I think gotta put a screwdriver in there and push it up. Oh, here it is. I already took off the housing, the cap, and this is a light that I've been using. It's like an amber light. I think it's almost out. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it looks pretty horrible. The plan is to use a Dremel tool to cut right there, right? Take everything off and then install this thing inside of here by putting a little hole in there and use the mount that came with it to install it inside of the fog light. What I'm going to do next is to use this masking tape to set my line. I want to measure to make sure they both look the same, and then I'm going to use the Dremel tool to go around and cut it out. This part is the boring part, I guess. So let's just do that. Let's see if this works. There you go. So the whole thing, I gotta take it off, and then we're gonna put a little hole right here so I can put this thing right over there. Yeah, I think it's gonna be possible. Let's go. It's a little pin right here. You gotta take that off, push it out. Maybe it doesn't want to come out, but it will come out eventually. Push it out. Push that one out, that one on the side. Okay, and then gotta take this off. Would you just look at that? Sheesh. Hey, you messed up your hoodie, bro. Yeah. That looks good.
There you go. Looks smoother.
So sanded this a little. I mean, he sanded it a little. Looks pretty good. Alright, gonna put the hardwares on the LED light. Got one down, and then gonna do the second one. I think I'm doing it right. I'm not 100% sure, but I think I do. I guess, I don't know. We'll see. Gotta tackle the adjustment later. The hardware is on. H-I-O. Hardware is officially on. H-I-O-O. We got this done. Cool. What's next?
So weird,
I do not remember what was next. Oh, wiring. So I marked where I want to drill this so I can mount the LED lights in it. It's right there, right there. I'm gonna go ahead and use a drill to drill them. I love the wording. There you go. That was beautiful, right? Yeah. Okay. Got this sorted. What?
Also cloudy till 3.
Good. Cloud is good. Rain good.
Feel like you enjoyed that portion too much.
That was amazing. that one right there is amazing. All of a sudden it's cloudy, but good thing it's not gonna rain. So the progress, we got these both drilled This bolt that comes with the kit is too long and it will interfere with this right here, so it's not gonna like actually go in there and fit. What happens next is that I have to actually cut the bolt, just probably not two half, but a little bit like 3/4 of it. Got the bolts cut in half. What I'm gonna do now is to do a little relay with some fuse splices to make sure I can control my fog lights with the switch for the fog lights, because right now the GXs, there's a relay that get their positive power from the headlights, so whenever you have the headlights on, you can turn the fog lights on and off, otherwise you don't have any control over the fog lights. With this trick you can actually go ahead and just use the fog light switch, so you can switch it on and off whenever you want to. Hopefully we make this correct. I went ahead and opened up my fuse. This is the fog light fuse, which is this one, the blue one, and we're gonna splice into the seat heater, because what happens is the seat heater is always on. It's one of the accessories. As soon as you turn your car on, the seat heater is always on, so you can feed the positive side of your fog light relay to always say, hey, it's on. Whenever you want, you can turn it on and off. So I went ahead and bent this one, so when it says in the engine bay, this side is up, so I can use one of these connectors and connect my fuse splicer into this. Does it make sense? I mean, if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. I definitely will answer it. Well, it will be something like this. Fuse sorted out. Now it's time for the fun part, which is wiring these LED lights. I'm a little scared because I am not the best at wiring, but I think we should be fine. So this wire that comes with the cap from your fog light, this one is positive and this one is negative. What I'm gonna do is use one of these connectors for my negative and connect it to my negative, and use another one for my positive. Pretty simple. First I gotta cut this because this is too long, so let me see a base of like how much I need to cut. I think that much should be good. It should be good, and then I can just like put everything back in there too. Yeah, it should be good. Let's cut this first.
A few moments later.
Alright, I finished the wiring for one of them. I'm gonna go ahead and see if it's gonna even work. If it did the fuse right, let's just try it. So I don't have the headlights on, but I got this on, and it looks pretty good. Success. Okay, I got my first test fit here. What happened was, let me take this off real quick. I had to use some Dremel to cut that there, so I can have my screw fit in here perfectly. That looks good already. All right, both fog lights are in. Let me go ahead and turn the car on to see how they look, and I'm gonna measure from the ground how much I have to go up and down. I might just tilt them to the right a little more so I can get more floodlight, but we'll see. It's been a fun project and it's been a few hours now. Kind of tired at this point. All right, moment of truth. Let's see if both are on. And both are on. This lens is dirty as hell, so I'm gonna change this one later, but look at that one. Woo! That's pretty good. All right, let me go ahead and measure, and then we go from there. Got them adjusted. I think it looks good. Next, I'm gonna use this thing, plastic bonder, to put this back. Hopefully I don't have to take it off again, because then I have to cut it again and again and again. Well, I got the first coat of my plastic concrete, the bondage, the glue on. I'm gonna let it sit just a little bit and then take off these little tabs I made with masking tape. So then after that I can go ahead and yeah, put the glue on those areas too. It's been a really fun project, but it's taken more than I thought, because I wanted to dedicate today to not just only one video but 2 videos, and I want to make some videos of something else as well. Maybe a little hint, but we'll get there. We'll get there. The instructor said 15 minutes to set and 30 minutes to cure. It's been almost 20 minutes. Let's see if they're ready to be taken. Oh yeah, they are actually pretty almost solid, but not super solid. They're on. The other connector was a little iffy, but I think it's on. They're working. Let's go. Well, I just finally installed my running lights too, so I can show you guys how everything looks like. And yes, it is the next day. Here it is, guys. Look how bright those fog lights look right now. Everything looks absolutely amazing. As I mentioned, I changed the running light from what it used to be. Spoiler alert, they were pretty miserable. It was like really bad. Well, this is how the running lights used to look like, and this is after with the LED bulb. They still need to be adjusted just a tiny bit, so I might have to take them off again and adjust the left one to go down and to the left just a little bit more. But I'm still waiting for my side markers to come. This one's working, this one is not. That's why I was like, oh, let me get better running lights and marker lights. We're gonna have the running lights with the fog lights because of the fuse we installed, and I believe this looks absolutely amazing if I see it coming in the morning or at night or anytime. Well, I'm really happy with the outcome, and aside from a little adjustments here and there and so on the other side marker, I think that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to smash that like button. Also subscribe if you haven't already, because 2023 is gonna be our year. It's gonna be an amazing year. Also, if you have any questions regard to the parts or anything else that you saw in this video, let me know in the comment section down below. I'll make sure to get back with you guys. And with that all being said, as always stay amazing. See you guys in the next one. Peace. I could hear that kid from the
I know.
playground.